Today we are going to see complex numbers, various functions which are available. But before we proceed, what are complex numbers? Complex numbers are essentially represented by x plus ij form, or rather I. And what is I? It is square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 is I basically, and this is the representation of any complex number. So when complex number comes under play, you can compute the square root of negative number also. See, this is a plus ij form. So I, you can have 5i. Please see that there is no multiplication sign in between. 5 is also a complex number, and complex number, all arithmetic operators, basic arithmetic operators can be employed on it. For example, if we have x is equal to 6 plus 9i, and we take y is equal to 3 plus 6i. Please remember these two, because we are going to perform operations on these two only. X is 6 plus 9i, y is 3 plus 6i. Okay. Now x plus y, real plus real, imaginary plus imaginary. This is the answer. X minus y, real minus real, and imaginary minus imaginary, x minus y. And x into y, this is also there. Then x raised to the power y, this is also possible. And x raised to the power 2 or any other number, this is also possible. Then coming to absolute, what does absolute function do? It gives the magnitude. So we can compute the absolute value of any complex function also, like x. This is also computed. And angle also, angle can also be computed for any complex number. This is the angle, and this angle is in radians, and once you multiply it by 180 and divide it by pi, you'll get it in degree. So you can find out the real part of any complex number also, imaginary also. Say imaginary of y. So this is also possible. Real, imaginary. You can have exponential of any complex number, like e to the power 2i, 2 pi I. You might have seen in your books. So exponential of I, or rather say pi I, it can be computed. And absolute of this also, this particular absolute of exponential of this value. So I'll pass this as a parameter, ABS, and the parameter will be this. This is the absolute value. Angle also can be computed. Angle, and I will just copy paste this. This is also possible. Now conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate is CUNJ, and say of x or y, take x. A plus IB, that is 6 plus 9i was there. Conjugate will be 6 minus 9i. This will be the conjugate. You can compute the exponential of any complex number, like exp of say x. This is also possible. And then coming to log, you have seen log of normal values, but I'll show you the log of any complex number. This is how log can be computed. Log for any negative number can also be computed. See, log of negative number. Also sine, cos, tan can be computed for any complex number. Say sine of x. This is sine of x. You can find out the real part of sine of x, imaginary part of sine of x, like you have imag, in bracket you have this sin x. So imaginary part of sine of x, like sine of 6 plus sine I. This is also possible. And then if I compute angle of say 5 plus 5i, where real part and imaginary part are same, we know that the angle will be 45 degree. Now you can compute it. So what can I do? I can, because I need it as pi by 4, so pass it inside a sim and see what happens. You'll get pi by 4. So this is the result, pi by 4. You can make it pretty also. And one more thing is, if I have any complex number of this form, 5 minus say 1 by 3i, this is one form, and if I just enter it, it will be transformed to that particular floating point value. I don't want this to happen. What I'll do is, I will do sims x, then x is equal to sim under bracket this particular value. Now all computation will be in the symbolic form. Now x plus x, see, we have this, x raised to the power 3, this, and any assign a function, a bigger function to some y like this, then also we'll get y as this, and we can compute the real part of y and conjugate of y, of course, real part of y and conjugate part of y, minus sign, with minus sign, this will be minus sign. See, so these are glimpse of various functions which are available. We have comprehensive list of functions which you may try. So thank you so much. Take care of yourself.